Your customer has a pest problem, and they want it gone fast. Your ability to be responsive is what will grow your business down the line. That's why at SiteOne, we provide you with the same level of attentiveness and care that you give your customers, with resources at the ready. You can find the products you need, along with expert support, with just one stop along your route. We start by keeping your inventory stocked with insecticides, termiticides, rodenticides, mosquito control, traps, and baits. We have the solutions you need to keep homes and commercial locations protected from pests. And if you're missing a tool in your arsenal, we're right around the corner. With SiteOne, you're never far from resources to help your business thrive. Through the SiteOne Partners Program, you're rewarded for every purchase you make. And you can earn continuing education credits at our SiteOne University training opportunities throughout the year. With our mobile app and online ordering, you can check the inventory of your local SiteOne and order the products you need to save valuable time. In the peak seasons, you need to have peak performance. And with a partner like SiteOne, you have the tools to grow your business. We're fully stocked and fully staffed, so you can be fully confident walking into any job. You stand behind your work. That's why we proudly stand behind you.